In this video, you'll learn about the key controls of the landing page builder by Marcom robot. Right in the center, you can see the main canvas. It's basically the area where you'll be putting together your landing page. To the left, you'll see all of the components that you can add to the pages. Simply drag and drop them like so. Here are the components: section, block, text, form, image, button, video, slider, and custom HTML. To the right, you'll see the settings of each individual component, or the page as a whole. Once you've added a few components to the canvas, in the Layout tab you'll see how they are forming the structure of the landing page. In the Component tab, you'll find all of the settings that are related to the selected component. This is where you change colors, fonts, component size, and so on. At the top, there are actions such as clone, bring forward, send backward, delete, show grid, desktop and mobile version switch, save, and preview controls. Lastly, when you select any component, you'll see quick positioning controls. They are useful for placing all of your components perfectly in any section on the canvas. Center, right, left, top, middle, and bottom. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more training, and join our community on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.